Video can save your life. I bought this dry vent cleaning kit from Amazon with this rotary brush here, and you can put in your drill or do it by hand. It's good to have a second person hold the hose, but if you don't, I tied my hose to a long board I had, and I'm gonna push the brush through by hand. I've already cleaned it 3 or 4 times, but it goes to show how much lint can accumulate inside your dryer hose. So putting it in, I'm turning it, put it in, go back and forth, I'm turning it, same action with a drill we have. So let's see what comes out the end. Oh boy, and look at that. See what comes out? You see what comes out down there? A lot comes out. And I've already cleaned it a few times, so when the lint accumulates in your dryer hose, you can have a fire. So I bought this kit, it was half price. I only paid like $12.50, and it does the job. If your clothes aren't drying, one indication is the hose can be blocked up. So buy this kit here and you'll have the problem fixed. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. See you next time.